Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I got another one of my LG Natural monthly boxes. Will say I kind of got high hopes for this box. Why? Because if you watch my last LG my last LG Natural unboxing, I had shared that I wasn't a fan of one of the brands that they constantly put in here. And that box last month was awesome. It did not have that brand in it, and it was an awesome box. I knew that the company was going to be giving us some different brands, because I had made a comment on a social media post and they had came back saying, just wait. So I was very happy with the last month's box. Is it gonna keep going? That's what I wanna know. Is this going to keep going? So this is how much I pay for this box monthly. I did get a discount because I committed to a certain number of boxes. I think it might have been a year, or maybe it was 6 months or 8 months. I can't remember for sure. I gotta go back and look at my email. But the box each month does have a theme to it. Last month's was the first beauty box that they did. I don't know what the theme is here. So she always customizes it with your name. Hello, gorgeous Terry. We got a card. I'm not gonna look on the back of it because it will give away what the items are. Please, no Earth Harbor. Please, no Earth Harbor. Well, let's just get it out because I see one Earth Harbor right here. This one is Laguna Replenishing Body Serum, Marine Algae and Blue Yarrow. It's 60 mils. This is probably going to be gifted forward. I can't take the smells of these products. I see here. This one isn't bad. Now, where does it go? It's body serum. Apply to skin and massage in a circular motion. A little goes a long way. I'll try it. Last time there was one I thought I could do and try. I did. As soon as it got on my face, I couldn't use. The smell was too much. This one is gosh. Now that I smelled it again, I don't think so. No, I think this is going to be one that I'm going to pay it forward. So I hope there is not any more Earth Harbor, but let's see. All right, the next, I have had this product before too, and I'm not a fan, or not this product, this brand. This is by Upcircle, and it looks like we got a sample of hand cream with hibiscus flowers and grape seed oil plus shea butter to protect and nourish. This is the natural, vegan, upcycled. I believe this brand uses leftover products to make these, I think, but we will see on the card. But here's that little sample. Okay. Then let me just pull out this next one. Also by Upcircle. It's natural, vegan, upcycled. It's night cream with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, plus pro-retinol and rose hemp oil to moisturize and protect. It says we've upcycled blueberry seeds from the juicing industry because they're a source of pro-retinol that works to minimize the signs of aging. So, I mean, their premise is really good, right? So what it does, formulated with niacinamide to replenish the skin's natural barrier and hyaluronic acid to boost hydration. Rose hemp regenerates overnight for brighter and softer skin. So it's a glass jar with an aluminum lid. If I'm remembering correctly, I couldn't take the smell of the product last time either. Oh, this doesn't have a scent to it. So this one, I'm pretty sure is gonna be completely okay because there's no scent to it. So yeah, anxious to try this then. Yeah. Okay, we'll just keep going. All right, next is also by Upcycle. Oh, so this is a hair serum with fermented rice water and baobab plus natural amino acids to nourish and protect. So this apparently is a UK brand. I didn't know that. And it says we save leftover ingredients and upcycle them into beautiful skincare. Made in the UK, 100% recyclable. And it says use this to strengthen your hair and protect it from heat damage. And there's also a UV protection with it. So let's check out this scent. Oops, okay, hold on. So it is a pump. And it has the little protect it thing on here. All right, so let's try this smell. Oh, on my nose. There's no scent. That's a positive thing. So I have definitely tried this as well. So there you go. This is 50 ml, and this jar was 55 ml, and going back to the Earth Harbor, 60 ml. And we have one more item actually in the box. So it's a very good deal what you're paying for these products. I'm not familiar with this company. It's called the Healing Happy Method Glow Up Dewy Blooms Oil-Based Moisturizer made from nature. Hemp seed oil, vitamin E oil, lavender essential oil, rosemary, and geranium essential oils. And it says how to use. After cleansing and toning, apply a small amount of the Glow On moisturizer to face and neck. Use upward and outward motions for a gentle massage. Let it absorb for about 2 minutes before applying makeup or heading out the door. And then use daily, morning and night for hydrated, radiant skin that stays soft and balanced. All right, so let's check this one out. Here you go. Oh, and it's sealed, so I need to break that. And I like that. I like when they seal the oils because I swear oils can just like leak out of everywhere. All right. Oh, that actually has a nice scent. Yeah, it's just not straight up lavender. Has a very nice scent. All right, I like it, you guys. I like it a lot. And there you go. So now let's read the card. Okay, here's the card. So LG Nourish November Box 2025. It's curated to deliver head to toe hydration. Each product was chosen to replenish, restore, and revive your skin, hair, and body with botanical rich, winter ready nourishment. And the box has over $100 value. So what's inside? So we got the Healing Happy Method Glow Up Moisturizer. And this is valued at $25. Then we have the Upcircle Night Cream. This is valued at $28. Then we have the Upcircle Hair Serum, $30. The Earth Harbor Laguna Glow Renew Body Oil, $16. And then we got a sample of the Upcircle Hand and Body Lotion with bergamot. So I probably will like this if this smells like bergamot because I like that scent. So there you go. All in all, I'm happy. We only got one Earth Harbor product, so that's a bonus. And then the other items that they did give us, either they don't have a scent or they have a scent that I like and I can manage. So it's a win-win. Very happy. So we're still continuing on the LG Naturals box. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. As always, thank you for spending time with me and take care. Bye everyone.